Alright, this is Bree's hiking fits.
This is from water.
Bae looking good for the hiking trip. She
Guys,
got her little,
I'm not playing about these bugs.
She got her little bug band on her little
And on her
wrist.
wrist, yep.
And she had it on her, you didn't hear that, right?
On my wrist? Here, what?
I farted.
That was nasty.
Alright, she got it one on her wrist and she got one on her leg.
Now let me show you Vlad's fit.
Cool collected, you know, Vlad's fit is on that, you know. Vlad's fit.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, New York kid gone wild. And the bracelet.
The bracelet 2 chat, you know.
We about to spray up on this.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's cool.
Either that or getting bugs on you.
I'm good. Bring my hand.
Your arms.
Your neck?
No. I'm scared. I'm being allergic to it or like something.
No, really?
Yeah.
You don't want to like spray it and like...
Oh, okay, yeah, maybe. Like, I don't want to put the work on it. My perfume for today. Some bug spray.
Yep.
Alright. I need to get my coffee. Let's go get my coffee. Powdered sugar, not liquid.
Yeah, it's a regular sugar.
Okay, and then cold foam. And then can I get the bacon jam sandwich?
I'm sorry, we don't have it.
They don't have bacon jam.
Sweet black pepper there.
Can I get the sweet black pepper on a croissant
Sweet black pepper on
They don't have my bacon jam.
with ham?
Should I get a coffee?
Sweet black pepper croissant.
You want a coffee?
I need something to wake me up a little bit.
Can I get a small French vanilla, light and sweet?
I want cold foam too.
Salmon, yeah?
Yeah, with cold foam.
I'm being a Starbucks girl, my girl. Nah, let me stop.
Anything as me.
That's all. Did I put 2 hash browns or only 1?
I have just only one. So you want another order has now? Oh, yeah, I have 2.
Okay. No. Take the
Just
other
2
one.
only?
Just 2. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all. Got our Dunkin'.
Alright, y'all, we got
We actually got coffee today.
coffee is needed today.
Here you go. Good. I can't believe they didn't have the bacon jam.
I'm so mad.
Guys, I normally get an egg on a croissant with hash browns. I eat the egg first and then I eat the hash browns on my croissant.
We are fresh today.
Yeah. Jim. Jobs actually care out here.
They're not getting rushes out here.
Yeah.
These jobs are like 2 people isn't able to work back there
Yeah.
because it was 2 people back there. We can't have that in New York.
It's too small.
Everyone's there. So yeah, we about to eat this. We're about to tune in back to you guys.
Let me do the hike.
We're starting our hike. This ring light for us is gonna be our tripod for today. Don't mind us.
It's okay. Being in the woods with someone that has allergies is kind of like...
Bring this
The camera? Oh, I wasn't sure what you were talking about.
hiking, so...
Wait, no, let's go down here first and then work our way over here.
Okay, you wanna see what's over there first?
Yeah, I'm very nosy. Oh my god, look, the bunny! Oh no, it's a bird. It's cold, y'all.
It is. I'm like not gonna lie. This is nice.
Is this like a wishing well?
I don't know what that is, guys. But all I know is that shit looks fire. Oh, it's another trail this way.
What the fuck?
This is fire.
And this is all for us?
Yeah. Wow. We can. Let's do it. How do we turn on the lights though?
I don't know. Wow.
This is nice.
Wow, this is beautiful. Look at the squirrel.
Oh yeah, like we can like set this up and like go up those stairs if anything. And you know, we're out here, guys.
I want to go on this, right? Like, I don't. It's cold out. We were not expecting it to be this cold.
Look at my shoes.
That's what I said. Worst is you could always.
Ew,
just...
those are mushrooms.
Where?
You want shrooms, babe? All right. What else do we have? It's like.
Careful, because I think that's poison ivy.
Which one? Over there?
The one by the seats.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like poison ivy.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's try not to go in too much like of the grass.
I want to see over there. It's like more like hike over there. But this is what we have so far. You guys can see we have the seats and then everything else is just like. So that's where we came from over there.
I'm gonna be in charge of the pictures on my phone.
Okay, you do that, honey. I think over there is water. Everything is just hike.
Wait, where is the water?
Let's find it. Let's see.
As long as we're like moving, I will like the cold will like go away.
Yeah, it will.
Guys, I've literally never done like a hike.
This stink over here, babe.
Guys,
I don't like that buzzing. Somebody's
Are we in
house.
some yard?
Yeah, I don't want to be
Oh my
going.
god, we're in someone's yard.
That's what I'm saying.
Y'all.
I don't want to be going to somebody's house.
Let's go through that trail, please.
The other one, right?
Yeah, like the bridge.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. What's up there?
Nothing. Sucks. That's probably someone else's property.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine someone has a dead body over here. Oh my god.
Hey, you just be thinking the
I be
worst.
watching these crime shits. You don't understand.
Like, alright. So,
Just be careful, because I don't know if that's poison ivy, you know?
yeah.
Just be careful. That's trailing to like absolutely.
Alright, guys, we are
I hear something in the woods.
on a new hiking trail. You want to go that trail?
Yeah. You go first.
Okay. It's the bridge. Ooh, it's a lot of flies on here.
Is there? Yo! Wait, babe, I want to take a picture of you.
Hello.
Shut the fuck up.
Making my presence be known. I want y'all to know that I'm not to be fucked with.
Are we going on a hike? I'm scared. See.
I don't even know. Just hope nothing pops out.
Ah!
Now you're going first. Now you're going
It's
first.
really nice.
Yeah.
Humans are not meant to be.
Right? I'm saying. Alright, which way? We have.
This way.
Oh, because you see the trail? I was about to say, is that where the pond is? You want to go this way? Where the trail leads this way or this way?
Well, there's like a pole thing over there.
A pole. Oh, it is. What is that? Wonder how they make this trail. Imagine that's like a farm right there.
Shit.
Babe, this shit's steep as fuck. What is this? It's a lot of flies up here. Not gonna
That's
hold you.
poison ivy.
Where? All of this? Be careful then. It's just a field. Yeah, I guess so. We're already up here. It's just vlogs. A field.
Weird.
You're scared? Sorry.
I'm just thinking about when we go down that trail. Pretty though.
Yeah.
There's a cow. There's a cow right by the tree. There's another cow. Yeah. Be careful with the trees.
Yeah, I'm not touching this shit. This is beautiful.
I just don't like the bugs.
Me neither. And I feel like she's stepping like a Martian van in this bitch.
Wait, there has to be something that leads here.
Yeah, because why would they even have it, right? It must goes around, no? Right?
It's bringing us to something.
You're right.
You hear two kids get lost in the woods?
What if this footage never goes back, babe? What happened?
There's a fox.
Where?
Absolutely.
Hurry up, go.
You're lucky I saw that shit.
You would have kept going. All right, new trail it is.
Go down and then go straight.
Yeah. Well, I have a weapon for it, just in case they wanted to get crazy.
If it was a deer, I would have kept going.
Yeah.
But foxes, I don't fuck with them. You need to be careful.
Why?
This is really steep.
No, you need to be careful.
That's what I'm saying. You need to be careful.
I thought this was a farm.
There is a farm over there, though.
I know, but I thought that gate right here, this
it's still
gate,
farm.
this shit's steep.
Take it slow. This is obviously walkable.
She'll like take this shit slow. I need to hurry up. I'm not playing. Babe. Oh, I thought you left. I thought you vanished. You're taking it real slow. That hill is not going nowhere. We're gonna see what this trail is now?
Yeah, let's go, yeah.
Let's go check.
Damn these steep ass hills. Yo. I really don't think hiking is for me. I'm just not like built for this because I just know later my legs are gonna hurt like a bitch. I feel like I'm working out my whole legs. Whew. All right. Well, we wanted to come here, no? You locked the door, right? All right, so let's go this way. Where's that lake, y'all? Yo, we're trying to find this lake.
Oh, it's that.
Where?
Over there.
I don't see it. I don't, actually.
All right, we gotta go there.
Oh,
The
you-
lake
so-
is right there.
If you see it, then period.
We are. Look, babe, they have a tree house or a kid's house over there. Really in the field, like no one's been. This lake, guys. Yes, this was worth it. Don't worry. I could do this.
This is pretty.
beautiful.
I love this.
Soaking in everything.
Me too. This is why I was waiting for it.
Me too.
Imagine this at
You're so
night.
beautiful.
I look crazy, y'all. But it's okay.
It's alright.
You're on vacation.
Exactly.
This is really nice.
Look at the ring light just over there. We hope you guys enjoyed this hike, just enjoying it.
The wilderness.
And you know, we're just enjoying everything together. Like,
Yeah,
I love you.
I love you.
Alright, VB gang. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tune into the next video we have coming for you guys, because that's a good one. Until next time, guys.
We don't even know what it is yet.